Heidi Klum consistently wows on red carpets, and looked galactically gorgeous at the premiere of Halle Berry's new movie, Moonfall. Once a supermodel, always a supermodel. Heidi Klum, 48, knows a thing or two about fashion and what looks good on her, and she definitely always knows how to make an entrance. The German fashionista stole the show at the Moonfall premiere in Los Angeles on January 31, wearing a plunging black jacket and vinyl pantsuit resembled something Catwoman would rock, which seems appropriated, since Moonfall stars a former feline fatale star, Halle Berry. Heidi was in high spirits as usual, sporting a beaming smile while making sure the photographers got their shot. Heidi wore her long blonde locks in a Brigitte Bardot meets Farrah Fawcett type of style, complete with her signature curtain bangs. Long red nails and cat eyes completed her smoldering look. The mom of four, who has also been serving up bold looks as an America's Got Talent judge since 2013, posted a fun reel on Instagram, showing her get-ready routine for the premiere. Heidi touched up her face and cleavage, naughty, in the vid as she worked her way from a bare face and robe, to her glamorous finished product, playfully posing along the way. With the former Project Runway host, playful is usually an understatement, as displayed in another one of her latest Instagram videos. Last week, Heidi had a twerk-off with Pablo Vittar, 28, during their latest hangout on January 25, and posted it for all to see. The dance enthusiast and Brazilian drag queen stood outside of a fancy-looking home and got busy for an epic booty-popping session. Heidi wore an edgier look, with a tiny, plaid bodycon dress, black stockings, and thick-soled combat boots as she moved her bum. Even she's messing around, it's fashion. Related gallery. Stars wearing bodysuits under sheer dresses, photos of Heidi Klum and more. The style and beauty chameleon will likely continue her over-the-top transformations, since she frequently gets away with them. Having a beautiful, toned body certainly doesn't hurt, but it's Heidi's air of not taking life too seriously that shines overall. Whether she is slaying on the carpet, shaking her booty, or dominating with her incredibly dedicated, and sometimes downright creepy, Halloween costumes, she is an inspiration for all to embrace a carefree attitude, which always looks good.